Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's wash day is featuring some aloe vera faith in nature products, so let's get straight into it. We should all know that anything with aloe vera in it is going to be excellent for our hair, and this shampoo is no exception to that. It went on really well. Aloe vera is kind of a slimy consistency, if you like, and this shampoo was definitely giving me that kind of effect where it just went on so easily, made my hair feel nice and soft, and was easy to work into my hair. The lather was pretty much instant, and the product actually smells really nice as well, so no complaints with this shampoo. I'm getting the same feeling from it that I got from the dragon fruit one. Let me just give myself a good little massage there. But yeah, this shampoo is really good. I actually like it. It worked really well on my hair, so no complaints. Now let's get into this conditioner. It's obviously the aloe vera conditioner. It is quite thick, which I love in a conditioner. I need my conditioner to be, I need to feel the conditioner in my hands. And this is how it looks once it is emulsified. Upon applying, it goes through my hair nice and easy. I don't know if applying conditioner in the shower makes a major difference in terms of how much it spreads and how it feels on your hair. But I like it. It's definitely worked through my hair nicely. I'm able to detangle with it without too many issues. Again, it smells like the shampoo, the aloe vera shampoo, and I like how it goes through my hair.